So on the armrest of the Lexion here, we have a number of dials. This one here is what we call the harvest key. Now on the harvest key, once we turn it to any particular setting we want, but on this particular machine we have the straw walker and the sieve monitor settings. We have the concave position, the fan speed, the drum speed, the brightness of the screen. If we have a rotary machine in this position, we'll have the rotor speed. And we go round to the sieve positions for both the bottom and the top sieves, and then the reel set speed. Put it to the 12 o'clock position and all those settings disappear. But to change those settings, all we need to do is turn it to the position we want. So this one is the walker monitor setting, and then use this dial here to now physically adjust that to the position we want. Once we've done that, all we do is put it back to the 12 o'clock position, and that means the system has now been adjusted. We don't have to enter or escape, it is already adjusted. So on the Lexion armrest, we have the hotkey, this one here. With the hotkey, what we can do is when we turn the dial, it pops up on the main screen there and then it disappears. We can adjust this hotkey one of two ways. We can either use this one here, or if we put this switch into the middle, we can then use the front of the joystick here. So just to show you, turn that one to there. Now when it's gone, I can use that one to adjust it. Now because this is in the middle, I can now use this on the front of the joystick to then adjust it. You can only adjust in the hotkey what the hotkey has. There is nothing more that can be added to the hotkey.